Starting the third decade of the new millennium, Fresh Family welcomed a new member, a new factory specialized in producing TVs of all sizes. The factory spreads over 12,000 square meters, and it depends on modern devices with developed technology and on trained staff up to 200 workers under the leadership of a group of engineers and technicians with experience and high proficiency. The factory is provided with the latest lines for assembling electronic boards. The factory has an automatic production line and another manual production line, as well as a 320 square meter sterilized room for preparing and assembling the inner parts of TVs. 2 lines of final assembly, the length of each is 60 meters. 2 lines for testing the product performance, the length of each is 90 meters. And a quality lab for testing the final product. The automatic production line of boards manufacturing depends on the latest operation systems, and the line is provided with Japanese Panasonic machines, which speed is up to 90,000 parts per hour in high accuracy. The latest testing machines, AOI, is the machine that tests the quality of board part assembling. And on the manual assembling line, the rest of board parts and the line is provided with the highest factors of safety. The tin is welded inside a huge machine that functions according to the latest protocols of production. All eco-friendly raw materials are used, and the product quality is assured by testing devices of all functions of manufactured boards by 100%. In an isolated room, our trained workers work on preparing the sheet metal. The room is equipped by adhesive machine that functions with high temperatures for assuring the quality of fixing the lightning lenses. As the process of manufacturing TVs is a very accurate and complicated one, we have a 320 square meters sterilized room equipped by sterilizing paths for access, as well as the filters required for purifying air during working hours. The process of product assembling is accomplished on 2 lines of final assembly. The length of each is 60 meters. And the final assembly phases are performed under full supervision of production and quality managers. The testing lines were provided with heating lines to test the performance of all parts. In extraordinary operating conditions, the length of each is 90 meters, and to test the product quality by fully testing the sound and picture by testing all the inputs and outputs of the TV before the products are packaged and having the quality stamp. Samples of complete product are transferred from warehouses to the quality lab, which is operated by latest devices to test brightness, contrast, clear voice, and electricity consumption, and to test colors equalizer, so our customers could have a high quality and fully safe product. Fresh Factory for manufacturing TVs produces 1 million units yearly, representing 80% of the local product, which is the top selling in the local market as an Egyptian product, while 35% of its production is exported to markets all over the world. We aim to introduce a special high-quality product and customer service of which everyone speaks highly. Fresh products are trustworthy.